Hello everyone. Today we are on a historic church open house. It's today only, Saturday, June 7th, 2025, 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. Put together by the Miamisburg Historical Society. And we have 6 churches in the area participating. And we're going to go to each one. And apparently we should be able to get in, look around. I've got my cameras. We've now arrived at Our Lady of Good Hope Catholic Church over here on Central Avenue. Member of St. John Paul II family of parishes. There you see their Mass schedule. Eucharist. We're going to walk around first, take some pictures. Well, videotape, take pictures, both. We will attempt to get to all the churches, but I'm not sure, running out of time, because I know people. I know too many people. And says no one ever. It's good to know a lot of people. So an old friend lost her spouse, her husband, 3 years ago. It's something. You're in a club that you don't want to be part of. But that's how life is, you know. We can thank God we got them when we do. Okay, Our Lady of Good Hope Catholic Church. We hear the bells at St. Jacob's, which is another church to explore. Oh my goodness, I might not make it to all these. We'll have to see. Alright, let's go ahead. Now we've walked around, let's go ahead and head inside here. Alright, here we are, entering the Our Lady of Good Hope. Enter their entranceway. So, hello. Looking around, this is the entranceway for Our Lady of Good Hope. How y'all doing?
Good, how about yourself?
Doing well. I think I've been in here exactly once.
Oh yeah? Well, welcome back.
Probably, probably 30 or 40 years ago. So I don't really remember anything, but I love this, the open house. It's a very good idea for town.
I know, I think that's great.
And it allows me to get some pictures of nice, pretty, well, sanctuaries and especially the stained glass.
Yeah.
So good. So, y'all got anything to say about here? Or you just making sure we stay in line?
Oh,
You the bouncers?
I'd be happy to if you'd like.
I'm interviewee. No, I'm the other one.
Interviewer.
I'm the interviewer. Ready? You're the see.
Exactly.
You corrected me, so you are ready.
Yeah.
You knew the proper terms. So can you tell me about Our Lady of Good Hope a little bit?
Yeah, it's one of the 3 oldest churches.
Oh, look, you're being infiltrated by the St. Jacob's across the street.
There you go. Yeah.
Okay.
We're one of the 3 oldest churches in the Dayton area.
Dayton area.
I think we were one of the first 3. And
I didn't realize for the
Dayton.
Dayton area.
Yeah.
I mean, you know, Miamisburg, of course, but
And so, we've been around for a very long time. Yeah.
okay.
Yeah. So a lot of beautiful history in the building, and
If you want to point out anything that's hit you besides how, wow,
it's beautiful.
the acoustics is something too. Nice. Look at that stained glass and beautiful sanctuary.
Yeah, if you're a big stained glass fan, we're one of our other churches is St. Mary of the Assumption in Springboro.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I've
the
not
stained
been.
glass in that church was moved from the church in Franklin, actually.
Oh, okay.
And it's if you're a stained glass fan, I highly
Wow.
recommend you visit
I
it
mean,
sometime.
who isn't?
Yeah, it's beautiful.
I mean,
for sure.
I hate beautiful things. I mean, that's what you'd have to say.
I know, truly, right? Yeah.
So Mass is every Saturday?
Saturday and Sunday.
Okay.
Mhm.
Oh, Sunday now
Yep.
too?
Yeah.
Is that new?
No, we've always.
It's always
Saturday
been
and Sunday
Sunday?
service. Yeah, we used to have 2 Sunday
Oh.
services. We are a part of a parish family now, so we're going through a reorganization. The Catholic churches in the archdiocese. Actually.
Okay. Yeah. I understand that a bit.
So we have one Saturday evening mass and then a Sunday morning.
Okay.
We used to have 2. Now we have 1. So,
Well, that helps.
Yeah.
I mean, it helps anyways for both days.
Yeah.
I never knew that. I always thought it was Saturday. See, look, we're learning.
Yeah.
By we, I mean me. The interviewee. See, wow.
You got it.
Failed. Yeah. Well, thank you very much
Yeah,
and
it's
stuff.
great to meet you. Let me know
Okay.
if you have any other specific questions.
All right.
Happy to try and answer.
Thank you. So we got some information, and that's good. They're reorganizing. They have, I know, the Catholic schools here. And so we're going to walk around here. Well, we'll take some pictures from back here while we're here. All right, well, let's walk on up to the front here. And we'll check things out. And got some pictures on the side we're going to check out too. Very nice. Very nice. Like I said, there's different sections. Open Saturday and Sunday. They have a service. They have the candles going too. Okay, well that's very cool. I don't even know what these stations are for. Are we allowed up here? I would hope. Okay. That'd be good. Time to get a little rendition from Mike, who's the pastor across the street. At the church, he come in to visit. Yep. Found a little nook here. It might be baby christening. It might be a little small chapel to sit in. It might be a place for mothers that need to bring their babies back. Oh yeah, that might have been an original one. Mike had pointed out they had an offering. Thanks everyone for watching the historical Miamisburg Church's open house. It was a self-guided walking tour on Saturday, June 7th, 2025. I will cover each church separately, so be sure to check back for the others. If you enjoyed the video, feel free to subscribe. You can also like, comment, and share. I upload videos from all kinds of events and things to do around Miamisburg and the area. Feel free to come back and check them out. I appreciate you all for watching, and have a great one.